Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Today's adventure takes us to the stunning landscapes of Almaty, Kazakhstan. A journey filled with breathtaking sights and unforgettable experiences. Day 1 began with meeting Daniar, our articulate and knowledgeable guide.
2.5 kilometers down to the riverside. So the walk is 2.5 kilometers, 1 hour to go, 1 hour coming back.
Soon after, I had the pleasure of meeting Neha and Deeprish, a delightful couple from India who joined me on this expedition, adding to the joy of exploration.
Welcome to Kazakhstan.
Our journey kicked off with a visit to the awe-inspiring Kolsai Lake. Its beauty was beyond words, prompting us to rent a boat, capturing stunning visuals while reveling in the serenity for a memorable 15-minute ride. Post-lake admiration, we made our way to Sadi village for a hearty lunch and an overnight stay at the village's guest house. After replenishing ourselves, our mode of transport shifted to a sturdy 4x4 vehicle, leading us to the enchanting Kandy Lake. A brief hike or horse ride spanning 15 to 20 minutes brought us to this marvel of nature, leaving us speechless with its surreal beauty, compelling us to capture countless photos and videos. As dusk settled in, we retreated to the village for a comforting dinner and a night's rest, preparing for the adventures of Day 2.
Hey.
Hi.
Day 2 commenced early, and our first stop was the mesmerizing Black Canyon, a prelude to the grandeur awaiting us at the renowned Charon Canyon. Nestled nearby, Charon Canyon awaited our exploration, often referred to as the Grand Canyon's little brother. This geological marvel spans approximately 80 kilometers in length and is a testament to nature's artistry over millions of years. The canyon's intricate rock formations, sculpted by the Charon River, present an awe-inspiring spectacle. As we ventured into the canyon's depths, the steep, rust-colored cliffs towered above us, forming whimsical shapes and patterns, each telling a story of time and erosion. We delved into the Valley of Castles, a section adorned with towering pillars and columns resembling ancient ruins, a testament to the canyon's mystique. The beauty and magnitude of Charon Canyon are simply staggering. Every turn revealed a new vista, leaving us captivated by the sheer scale and beauty of this natural wonder. As we marveled at nature's masterpiece, it was a humbling reminder of the Earth's incredible history and the forces that shape such breathtaking landscapes.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Day 3 brought me to the breathtaking Shimbulak Resort, a paradise nestled amidst snow-capped peaks, where the crisp mountain air and panoramic views awaited my exploration. My first adventure at Shimbulak began with a thrilling ride on the cable car. Ascending to the mountain peaks, the cable car offered unparalleled vistas of the surrounding mountains and valleys, a breathtaking sight that had me in awe throughout the journey. As I reached the pinnacle, the panorama was nothing short of spectacular. I couldn't help but capture every angle of this majestic scene, the snow-covered slopes, and the bustling activity below. The resort was abuzz with skiers and snowboarders, gracefully gliding down the slopes, adding a dynamic energy to the serene surroundings. I captured thrilling moments of people skillfully maneuvering through the snow, their joyous laughter echoing against the mountain backdrop.
Hi guys!
Hi.
The ambiance was lively yet peaceful, with the snow-capped peaks casting a serene spell over the entire landscape. Despite having encountered snowy mountains before, the sheer magnificence of Shimbulak Resort never fails to mesmerize me. With each frame and video, I aim to encapsulate the exhilaration and beauty of this winter haven. From the vibrant activities to the tranquil vistas, Shimbulak's charm was truly irresistible. After an exhilarating time at Shimbulak Resort, my exploration in Almaty continued, leading me to the charming Koktobe Hill. Perched atop Koktobe Hill, this scenic spot offers a breathtaking panoramic view of Almaty city and the surrounding landscapes. The Koktobe amusement park welcomed me with its array of fun rides and entertainment options, perfect for families and thrill seekers alike. From the Ferris wheel offering stunning vistas to the various attractions, the park exuded a lively energy. Exploring further, I wandered through the Koktobe open-air market, a treasure trove of local crafts, souvenirs, and delectable treats. My visit to Koktobe Hill was a perfect blend of scenic beauty, cultural experiences, and a sprinkle of fun. The memories and sights from this enchanting spot will remain etched in my heart forever. Undoubtedly, this journey has been one of the most incredible experiences yet. From exploring city parks to indulging in local treats, every moment added a layer of charm to this unforgettable escapade. As we conclude this chapter of the journey, I want to thank you for joining me on this incredible adventure. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more travel escapades, and comment below with your thoughts and travel experiences. Until next time, stay tuned for more exciting content.